welcome back to our new video. Now we are going to talk with you unhealthy things if you are eating burgers. Believe it or not, burger is bad for health and you will stop eating burgers after watching this video. Is burger your favorite fast food? Do you love burgers over anything else and enjoy being on them whenever you head out to eat? Well, there is something that you need to know. Burgers are loved by all, be it kids or adults. But do you know it can cause some serious health issues? Burger has fats, sugar and high salt that keeps you full for long, but your body doesn't get any proteins, vitamins or calcium. Burger damage your overhealth. It weakens your immunity which further puts you at risk of other health problems. A lot of time restaurants don't clean the veggies properly and these can lead to stomach infection or even food poisoning. Apart from this use of mayo to add taste result in upset lipid profile and weight gain. Ketchup served with burgers has high amount of salt which can lead to hypertension. Loaded with fat, burgers are unhealthy for you. You shouldn't consume high amount of fat in a day as it can affect the blood flow in the body and lead the heart problems. Weight gain. Well all know, burgers are high calories junk food that are not too good for your healthy. It is loaded with calories that add to our weight. Burgers are these days loaded with cheese slice, mayo and ketchup. All of these that are harmful for our body, bad for the heart. Because of being high in cholesterol and fat, burgers are harmful for your heart. These put you at a risk of heart disease, can lead to blood pressure. Burgers are loaded with sodium and your body can't take more salt that it requires. This will increase your blood pressure that can further lead to heart stroke, heart disease or even kidney disease. They have no vitamins or calcium and these make your bones weak. It is high time you stop your kids and all others in the family to stop having burgers. If you interest our video, please like, share, comments and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Coming up soon the next video.